Now with triangle J, we're not in a circle anymore. So all we're doing is actually identifying our A, B, and C. And here, our angles are labeled, so I'll use their letters this time. So if this is angle A, this is side A. If this is angle B, this is side B. If this is angle C, this is side C. So we know side C is 18. We know that side B is 36. And again, the idea is we're using a side angle side triangle because when we know side angle side, we can use the area formula to figure out the area of the triangle. So remember, the angle creates the side opposite. So the only unknown side that we have, we don't know the length of side A. We know the length of side C and the length of side B. And we know angle A. And that's why it's so important to use upper and lower case because our angle is 119 degrees. And especially if somebody's not putting in degree symbols or something like that, you might mistake a side for an angle and then you're completely lost when you're doing this. So when I go back to my area formula, I can write it any way I want using the same idea. So area equals your two sides, in this case, are B and C. So B times C times the sine of A. And of course, in the very beginning, that's where I always put the 1/2 because we are talking about a triangle. And the next step is substitution. So area equals 1/2. B is 36. C is 18 times the sine of 119 degrees. So we copy that, we put it in our calculator, and this is our result. And one last small detail is the fact that in this situation, they are giving us units. So we should acknowledge that we're measuring in centimeters, but also when we calculate area, our result is in square centimeters or centimeters squared because we're talking about area. And that's how we use the area formula to calculate the area of a triangle if we know side, angle, side. We know the two sides and the angle in the middle. If for some reason we don't know the angle in the middle, we may have to be a little more creative with some other geometry to figure out what that angle in the middle actually is.